So I just got home and I want to do a quick Watson's haul since dumaan ako kanina sa Watson and bumili ako ng mga kung anek-anek. So let's do a quick haul. So yung mga pinamili ko is hindi naman totally madami pero most of them are hair products. So let's start with this one. This one is the Google Powered Hair Fall Defense. So I got the shampoo and conditioner. So ito siya. So, wala siyang harmful chemicals. So, ayun. And marami akong nakitang reviews na maganda daw to for hair fall. So, ayun. I wanna try this out. Meron rin yung mas malaki. But since itatry ko pa lang siya, I just got this one which is like 150 ml lang siya. Ayan. So, magkasama na siya. Hair serum. So, ayan siya. So, meron rin ako nakitang maganda reviews about this. So, I wanna try this out. Actually, meron na akong serum na ginagamit for my hair. Which is yung from Human Nature, if I'm not mistaken. So, ayun. Paubos na rin siya. That's why nag-restock ako. And I wanna try a different brand. Since alam naman natin na goods ang mga products ng Lux Organics. So, I decided to get this one. So, this one is Argan Hair Oil. So, ito siya. Meron na rin akong hair oil from Human Nature pa rin. And paubos na siya. That's why I decided to restock. And of course, gusto ko nga rin mag-try pa rin ng ibang brand. So, this one is by Naturals by Watsons. So, ayan. Try natin siya. I got this blusher brush. So, ganito lang siya. So, kumuha lang ako ng isa pang brush para sa akin blush. Ayan. So, I wanna try this out. Sana maganda siya. Bumalik pa ako ng Watsons para lang mabili ito kasi I forgot this. Actually, Lawrence bought this for me. So, this one is yung breath mist. Ayan. So, kaya ko ito binili is ubos na yung akin. And, ang maganda dito is meron pa siyang free na isa. So, diba? And 95 pesos lang ata to. So, sulit na siya kasi nga may libre siyang isa. Then, of course, the OG, my favorite. So, I got this Aloe Vera Snail Soothing Gel from Lux Organics. So, this one is really, really, really good. I always use this ever since talaga. And, nag-restock lang ako. Then, for makeup, I only bought 2 products. Wow, ito pala, under makeup rin siya. But anyway, I only bought 2 products. This one is from BLK. And ito yung kanilang color stick in the shade caramel. So, pang lang siya, contour. Ayan. So, I decided to get this one. And, ito, bagong release lang siya. And, ang tagal ko na tong inaantay. Actually, nung nalaman ko na may ganitong product, talagang gusto ko siyang bilhin. As an oily girl, I really need this product. So, this one is from Happy Skin. This is their oil-absorbing 24-hour matte fixing spray. Ayan. So, kare-release niya lang talaga today. Actually, kahapon pa sa ibang physical stores. But, today, I got the chance to buy it. So, I'm really, really excited about this. So, sakto kasi paubos na yung aking fixing spray. So, I really wanna try this kasi nga super oily ko. And alam naman natin ang weather natin dito sa Philippines. That's why I need something that will make my makeup last longer. So that's it for this Watson's haul. But since nandito na rin tayo, I wanna share some of the pasalubos that I got. Galing siya sa ninang ni Lawrence from Australia. So, meron tayo dito Bath and Body Works na perfume. Ayan. Thank you so much po, Tita Abby. Oh, may dalawa ring lotion. Ayan. Then, the rest is chocolate. So, ala, ang sarap naman. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so good. May Skittles din. Ala, my one of my fave chocolates. M&M's. And some Skittles. This one reminds me of my little cousin in Italy. She loves Skittles. Okay, so that's it for this haul. Guys, we're here in Tagaytay. So, nandito kami kasi we have to shoot. Oh, shoot! Kasi, I need to shoot. I mean, I will help Kyla to shoot for their prenup pics. So, ayun. Ang saya lang. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapunta ng Tagaytay. Tagal ko na hindi nakapunta ng Tagaytay. So, ayun. By the way, ano para may turista ako dito sa likod. It's currently 2:22 PM. And buti na lang, hindi siya masyado mainit. And buti na lang, hindi rin naulan. So, sana makapag-shoot kami ng maayos. And, ayun lang. Go! Ayan. We're shooting! Basta mo yung vlog. Oh my God! Yes!
Thank you.
Anytime! Yan naman nakakapal siya. Tapos yung jowa ko guys, nakikisali. Buti din siya nag-red. Pero naka-white din siya guys. Kaya Cafe sa Tagaytay. I got shrimp, alio olio, and then ano ba to? Acai berry na drink. Taste test.
Hindi na lang sa
Meron siyang ano.
Oh, no.
Ay, pumasok ng nata.
Ay, may nata. Dapat malaking straw. Ulit na nakuha.
Ay, ikaw ba kumuha straw?
Malaki, hindi malaki.
Kaya pala sabi ko, di bumabado ng nata.
Akala ko inumin lang.
Okay.
Pinagpilihan pa ni Bossing yun kung ano kukunin niya.
Kasama natin dito ang lovebirds. Ayan. Ayan na pala. Change tayo ng straw. Kasi may nata siya guys, hindi ka siya yung usa. Ayun!
Kaya pala. Parang nakalahati agad. Yung itsura.
Oo eh, sarap kaya. We're here at SNR. So we're having dinner. Pizza and chicken na kinukuha. Let's eat!
Pinandalas na yata.
Bakit?
Dilaw pa parang.
266, 231. Please proceed to cleaning area. Thank you.
Hello friends! So, it's currently 1:01 p.m. And katatapos ko lang mag-ayos. So, papunta na ako ngayong SM because today I'll be attending the block screening of Minamahal, Ashdur's first movie. I'll be attending the block screening and free siya guys. So, kasama ko si mama ko, yung dalawang pinsan ko, sinama ko. So, thank you so much sa nag-sponsor. This is a project by yung Project Minamahal by SSAD. So, silang nag-organize nito. So, thank you so much kasi it's free. So, ayun lang. Papunta na kami doon since parang nandoon na rin sila. And I'm actually excited kasi kahapon pa showing yung movie and dami ko na nakikita. So, parang sabi ko, oh my God, I need to watch this. So, parang nag-scroll ako. Every time na may nakikita ko, scroll lang ako kasi ayoko ma-spoiled. Even though parang medyo may idea na ako sa kung anong ending niya. But, let's see. But anyway, I'm so excited and magdadala ko ng tissue kasi for sure maiyak ako. By the way, I tried yung Happy Skin fixing spray. Sabi nila nakakaiyak daw yung movie. So, let's see. Even though na-try ko na siya, hindi ako nag-oil up, which is good. Pero let's see if waterproof nga siya. So, titinan ko mamaya, since mababaw yung luha ko, titinan ko kung pag naiyak ako, kung matatagal yung makeup ko. Let's see. But anyway, let's go na sa SM. Guys, nandito na kami sa SM. Look, my cute Draper sticker. And yan. Ang cute naman ng CR dito, guys. Tingnan nyo ga naman. O, diba? Panis. May ganito pa sila. Popcorn, ready to watch.
Ready to watch na. Ano flavor yan?
Yes! Yes. Mother. Guys, katatapos lang namin panoorin yung Minamahal. Grabe, sobra ako naiyak. As in, kilig, iyak, kung ano man ang na-feel. But anyway, dapat kasi pupunta yung Ashdur's. Kaso lang, iba na yung parang, magre-rest na lang sila until tomorrow. So, hindi sila nakapunta. So, sayang. First time pa naman nila makikita sana ang Ashdur's. But anyways, marami pang ibang chance, opportunities. So, there. So, yun. Grabe, naiyak talaga ako. Anyways, we're going to SNR now. So, ayun. Tatawid lang kasi tapat lang siya na SNR kami. Kasi daw, deliver daw kami ni Tita Pakrasha's Coffee House. Pakrasha's Coffee. For the free taste, guacamole. Mga para sa free taste. Thank you. Yes.
Ay, sir, try niyo po.
Thank you, ma'am. Try to avail po. Kayo, ma'am, bread po.
Sige po. Nag-merienda lang.
Yes, ma'am.